I don't feel like the person I used to be, but I also don't feel like the person I'm trying to become either. I am now in the middle phase, the toughest one. And the old version of me was who reacted to everything, shouted, screamed, hurt herself, seeked for validation. And the new version of me that I'm trying to become is the calm, in control, healed, peaceful version. And now I'm stuck in a middle phase. And I'm like, this is so tough because when something happens, like in a situation that triggers me a lot, and the old version says that yes, react to it, scream, shout, hurt herself, go and do that drama. But the new version says me, no, you are healing. You have to respond, not react. You have to control. You have to not, force your emotions to go away, obviously, but you should not react to it, you should respond it calmly. And in that version, now in the middle phase, I feel like what I'm doing with my life, it feels so crazy and it feels so exhausting. Like the old patterns calls me to hurt myself to do this drama, and the new version is like, don't do it, don't do it, and I'm just stuck between the two version of me. And sometimes when things like this happens and I'm so hard, I also feel like the old version was so good. I reacted, I did all those drama, I hurt myself and everything, I shouted, but it was real, it was definitely unhealthy, but it was real. I was not aware of everything. And today when I go through these situations, I feel like I should not do these things, but I'm also very hard. And it is very tough to control yourself in in that phase when the old patterns tries to call you back, to go to that version. But recently, I'll say one example that something happened to me that I was so hard. And yes, these things came to me, these thoughts came to me, like at least it was good that I was not aware. Now I'm not even trying, I'm not even able to react and not even able to calm myself. I'm just crying, crying, crying. I cried for hours. And but one thing I did for sure is that I didn't react it, I didn't hurt myself. And after I went through that feeling, after I finished all, crying and all, after I cried for hours, I felt so good about myself that whatever the thing was, the old pattern was calling me so badly, but I choose to go to forward to the new version, the version that I wanted to become. So it gave me very proud feeling that I'm really growing. And this middle phase definitely is the most exhausting, most toughest part. But this phase is also go end one day, and one day I'll look back to this middle phase and I'll think, oh, that phase was so hard, and your old patterns were calling you, but you choose a new one and you are here. So definitely I'll be feeling more proud at that moment. So something that recently happened to me, and I wanted to share with you all. And also I want to say that if someone of you are like stuck in a middle phase and you feel like the old phase was good, at least you didn't have to think so much, or have to control everything. But I want to say that this is definitely the toughest one, but you can do it. And how you can do is, are when you feel like this, it's first you should think that it's okay to feel like that. It's okay to feel that you are broken and strong at the same time. It's okay to feel that the old version of you was good, at least you didn't knew it. These feelings are okay, but you need to pause, take a deep breath. If you want, you can journal all your feelings and pour it out to the journal. And you also need to understand one thing, that not everyone is gonna understand your journey, because this journey feels very lonely and unfair, to be honest, because these people seem to be in the that unhealthy version, reacting everything to life and all, and they seem fine. And when you see, like, you are doing all those hard work, you are growing, you are trying to heal, and they do all the unhealthy stuffs and they are fine, but you feel lonely, that's okay. People will not understand your journey, but you need to understand your journey. You need to do the self talk to yourself, that it's okay, you are in this journey, and these feelings, these thoughts are gonna come, but I'll not that these feelings and these thoughts control me, but I'll go forward. So that is most important. And you can also do some small things that make you happy, sorry, like the hobbies you love, like listening music, or like I do crochet. And also whatever hobby you like, you can do that. Definitely it will help you to calm down, and later you will feel more and more proud about yourself that you didn't went back to that version even when you were so sad or so disheartened or disappointed by this journey. So lastly, I want to say that you are not behind, you are not alone, you are not crazy for feeling like this. You are just becoming. It's hard, but it's very beautiful. This phase is gonna end one day, and when this will end, you will be more and more proud of yourself. So go ahead in your journey, guys, and I hope we will together grow into the version that we are trying to become. So yeah, bye bye.